Check out these wallet numbers for a sec. They're not magic. You might be wondering how to land even a slice of that bag. Chill, I'll show you exactly how to run the play from start to finish and leave with a nice stack of cash. Alright, we're about to hit the blueprint, but let me make something clear. Pump Fun? Skip it. That platform's a trap. Now's your chance to take the high reward route and secure some serious earnings. Hop into Photon, filter by Pump Fun Dex, and take a look. Meme coins are getting launched back to back. You'll spot literally garbage coins again and again, but none of them stay around. It's no surprise though, Pump Fun's overcrowded since anyone can throw up a coin. Now that we're looking at Radium coins, notice this. Hardly any new ones launching. In the last 5 minutes, just compare the number of new tokens created on Radium's DEX and on Pump Fun's DEX. The demand though, it's absolutely unreal. Check those market cap figures. It's a joke how much higher they are compared to Pump Fun. The reason behind this, you need coding knowledge to get on Radium, which blocks all the junk coins. That's the platform we're rolling with. Here's how you do it. Found Launch Tool by chance, and let me be real. It's one of the best kept secrets out there. Totally insane. You don't need to know any code to launch on Radium, so even complete beginners can pull it off. It seriously just takes a few clicks. It's been printing profits for me every week, and somehow it's still as smooth as ever. I already scooped a solid logo from Google for the coin. As you probably already know, I adore sniffing around the internet until I find trending funny memes. They're my signature move. Now hop into Canva, change the dimensions to 128 by 128, clean up any little details like I'm doing now, and save it. Simple and slick, just how we like it. Right now you need to head over to Launch Tool, drop in the info for your token. I'm entering CHIKA as the name and CHIKA as the symbol. In the description field, throw something playful in there. But sadly, I have to disappoint you because I don't have anything in mind for this specific coin, so I'll have to skip that part. Then pick your logo file, the one we made before, and click Next. Next page shows token economics. No worries there, it's already filled the way we need it. And yes, the 1 billion supply will come in handy very soon. Hit Next once again. You'll now see the creator details section. But watch out, it'll charge 0.1 Sol if you try to make any changes. Honestly, not worth the fee. I'm turning it off and skipping that part. After that, it asks for social media profiles. But to be real, I always leave that blank, so just keep going. We've officially arrived at one of the most critical steps. Warning, touching these toggles can instantly wreck your project. You might be asking, what's the issue? Here's why. If Revoke Freeze is off, you can stop trading whenever. Revoke Mint lets you print coins non-stop. And Revoke Update, that gives you the ability to change your project details on demand. Anyone checking your token will back away fast if they see even one of these disabled. That's how you lose trust and kill your chances of sales. Go ahead and leave those settings as is, then smash that Launch My Token button. Your wallet should pop up within seconds. Just confirm the transaction like you normally would. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Now go ahead and check your token's info. I'm checking SolScan to verify mine. And there it is. It officially exists on the blockchain. But we're not done yet. It's not tradable until we take one more step. So let's get to it. Head back into Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool. It'll automatically redirect you to Radium. Make sure your wallet is connected here first, then go ahead and set your meme coin as the base token. Click the token selection box, grab your token address from Launch Tool, and paste it into the field just below the Select the Token line. Enter the details for your coin next. I'm putting CHIKA in the symbol tab and CHIKA as the name. Press Add User Token and then tap on your token again to confirm it. Finally, type in 900 million, that's the typical amount out of 1 billion that meme coins start with. Select Solana as your quote token here. You're acting as the first investor in your own coin, so it's safe to press max. You're not going to lose any funds. Don't forget to leave out 0.2 Sol from the total though. That's because Radium takes a setup fee, and you'll see it highlighted in yellow. Set the fee tier to 2%. After all the fields are good to go, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction. And yep, the trading pool is now up and running. If you open Photon, you'll find our meme coin sitting right there in the list. That's done, so now let's take a look at how the chart's doing. Jump to dexscreener.com and click on any token you see. Let it load up fully. Then go into Launch Tool, copy your coin's address, and paste it into DexScreener. Just swap it in place of the one already there. Press Enter. Chart's now live. You'll see some activity, but it's mostly just bots placing early buys. No need to focus on that right now. Let's just hold off and wait for something to pop up in the order book. And boom, we've already got our first buy, only waited a couple minutes. That one is $51, which comes out to about 0.3 sol. I'm staying patient though, want to see what else rolls in. And yep, second buy just went through, and this one is 0.72 sol. Also, check the numbers up here. Liquidity's showing $704, and market cap is $574. They changed actually. So updated stats are, liquidity is $977, and market cap is at clean $1,000. I'm pretty confident those will rise soon enough. That's a solid sign. Also, no marketing needed whatsoever to make this work. You can literally rinse and repeat as much as you want. I said it before, this method's wild. Just look at these numbers, man. The coin has grown by 200% since it was initially created. Yo, check that out. Third buy order just hit. That one's... Oh, wait. Let me just scroll down for you so you can see better. That one's worth an insane $200 or 1.17 sol. And on top of all that, it's very fresh. Specifically placed under the 30-second mark. Liquidity and market cap numbers sadly haven't updated yet, but it is what it is. Also guys, keep in mind that you'll probably need to wait a couple of minutes too for them to update. Oh, I forgot to mention, the coin was created just 23 minutes ago. Also look at the updated numbers. Liquidity and market cap have jumped big time. We launched with $570 in market cap and $700 in liquidity, and it's only been 24 minutes since pairing. Huge move in no time. And man, this chart is just pleasing to the eyes. Let's just wait for another order to hit the book. Guys, the big fish just got hooked. It's a huge amount. I'm talking close to $300, worth about 1.62 SOL. I've got to say, there are a lot of sells happening right now, which, in my head, instantly signals that it's time to take my profit from this coin. And honestly, I'm already satisfied, so that's definitely the next move. Just head to Radium, connect your wallet, and select the standard tab down here. And here you can see your current position. Tap the minus sign like this. Drag the slider all the way up to 100%. Focus only on the SOL part. That's the reward you're claiming. Hit remove liquidity, confirm the transaction. And just like that, you'll see the confirmation message. That means your profit has landed. Here's the best moment. Just open Phantom and enjoy what you see. I put $300 in and somehow pulled out $490 in gains. But real quick, I need to clarify something. I'm not partnered with Launchtool, Photon, or Radium in any form. What you watched was for educational use only. This method's been insane so far, but I can't say it'll work forever. If you're serious, don't wait too long.